Okay, so we're going to be changing the parameter number 207, changing that from 0 to 1. And in order to do that, we just need to log into the controller, into the parameters area and make that change. Now there's two different areas for the parameters. There's the top level, or the top layer, which you use code 1234. And then there's the second layer where we use code 6525. So we're using the second layer today. So in order to get into that parameter area, we press the three bars on the right. We get taken to the login screen. We'll put in the code 6525, 6525. We're now logged in. So now when we press the three bars this time, we get taken to a different screen where we can access settings and parameters. So from this screen now, we press the cogs, and that then gets us into the area where we can look at the different parameters. So we press the parameters button, and here we have access to the parameters. We can see the box on the left has got a little blue line around it, which means it's the active box. So what we do now is we just scroll up to number 207. So we do that by pressing the up key, and if you hold your finger on the up key, it doesn't actually scroll, so you just got to press individually. So there's a few presses to do there, but it does skip some numbers as we go. It doesn't utilize all the numbers up to number 207. So we just keep pressing this. We'll get into the 90s here, and once we're in the 90s, it'll then jump up to 200 after the 90s. Here we go. So 203, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we get to 207, you'll find your value is probably set to 0. So in order to change that value, we press on this box. And now we see the blue, there's a blue box around the black one there showing this is active. We make that the active one. We then just press the up arrow key to change it to 1. Now to make sure that's entered in, we just press the 207 box again. That makes that, and that's essentially entering in that number. And just to double check that it's in, what I normally like to do is, once we're back on this blue box, on the left box, I just go up one, and we see that value there, and just come back down to 207, and we can see the value is still at 1, so that's locked in. Once that's done, that's it. Just to exit out of the system, we just press the three bars once, press it again, and we're then out of the system, back to the main front screen. And that's it.